One of the downsides of rotary turning is setting 0 every time you change bit. Now I just did the roughing cut on a chest piece I'm doing, and I got to do a lot of them, so I get a better look at it. Just doing the night. So I've got 32 of these pieces in general. You got to set 0 every time. The only way to do that is to back the tailstock out, and I don't want to do that. I don't want anything to change between the roughing cut and the finish cut. So what I did was, before I started, I got 0 down here, and then I matched it up over here on this, say, a support, I think, for painting things like a pyramid or something like that. So what I do is I come over here, and I set my 0 off of this. That's how you're supposed to do it. There. So then we set our 0, and that way we don't have to mess with the alignment of that. Well, I decided, since I'm going to do that always, and it's never going to change, at least unless all these are the same, is I use this here, and that's a little bit easier. And same theory. I'm not going to do it again, but you set your 0 off of that. Now, it didn't appear that they were both the same height, so I made one side red, one side green, and I just used the green side. So, and at that point, everything should be cool and should be ready for your finishing cut, which I am right now.